Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set up a Gmail account on my Android phone. Here are the easy steps to set up a Gmail account on your Android phone. First, turn on your Android phone and unlock the screen. Look for the settings or gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll down and tap Accounts, Accounts and Backup, or Users and Accounts. The label may vary depending on your device model. Tap Add Account. You'll see a list of account types. Select Google. This will start the Google account sign-in setup process. Tap Create Account. If you don't already have a Gmail account, choose For My Personal Use. Enter your first and last name. Then tap Next to proceed. Enter your birth date and gender. Then tap Next again. Choose a Gmail address. Either select from suggested usernames or create your own. Create a secure password. Enter it twice to confirm. Then tap Next. Then hit Next again. Agree to Google's terms. Read and accept the privacy and terms by tapping I agree. Finish setup. Your Gmail account is now added. You can access it through the Gmail app on your Android phone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.